Hey guys, what's up? PipSnipers here, back for another update. So, I just did a video recently on Bitcoin showing you the two different scenarios, and it was telling you that we should get the decision very soon. Tomorrow is the unemployment rate on September the 6th, okay? And we either come up here and we bottom out now and within the 78.6% fib. So from now down to 52.6654, we could have a wick down like this and then pop up very nice from there for a bullish diamond bottom pattern. Now the bearish scenario would be that this is a right angle broadening wedge, right? Where you have a higher high, equal low, and then you come down towards the low 50s, likely around the 47, 48K region, and we would likely go ahead and make a new low below 49,140. This would be the bearish scenario. Okay, now there's also something I wanted to bring to your attention, and that would be that if we look here on the 3-hour time frame, when we take a look here at the RSI, we are printing a slightly bullish divergence. Okay, so let's delete everything on this chart over here, and we'll take a look at the RSI. Okay, on a clean chart, you can see that you see with this move over here, the RSI was below 30 on the 3-hour time frame, very oversold. We went into very oversold conditions, and then we saw a grind to the upside. Okay, so now you're climbing a wall of worry, right? This is your wall of worry, and then you have your diversion, and then you could possibly have your markup phase. Now with this diversion over here, we went below 30 again on the RSI, but the price was lower over here than what it currently is, even though the RSI dipped into oversold conditions. So we could have more room to the upside over here on the RSI, right? Just something to be aware of. And we're also printing consecutive lower lows, right? In a falling wedge-like pattern, but consecutive higher lows on the RSI coming from oversold conditions. Okay, so we have a slight equal low on the RSI, even though we have a higher low on the price, and we have consecutive lower lows on the price, even though we have consecutive higher lows on the RSI. So we have bullish divergence playing out, and we could potentially have a bullish dragon pattern on our hands, where this over here would be the 2 feet of your dragon. So this would be your left foot, your right foot, and then you have your head of the dragon, and then we're just missing the tail. Now the big question on everyone's mind is that, are we going to have this tail or not, where we have that push to the upside? Okay, now that comes down to this pattern that we have going on over here. Okay, when we take a look here at this pattern, we can see that this is either the diamond bottom pattern or a right angle broadening wedge. Okay, this is our right angle broadening wedge here. Okay, so it looks something like this, right? You see, we have 2 patterns going on over here, but the RSI currently looks bullish. So we'll definitely get our decision tomorrow. Going into the weekend, we should be at an inflection point soon. Either we turn up very fast from now down towards the 78.6% fib, or we have a push below 49,100. Okay, now I wanted to show you guys something very interesting here back in 2023. Now, if we look here back in 2023, and let's just say this price action didn't happen yet. Let's just say you didn't know that this price action happened yet. After enduring such a painful and slow consolidation for over 150 days, almost a quarter of a year. We then have a local bottom. Okay, just pretend you're in the midst of this price action. You would think that this is your 5 down, right? Your 5 wave move down, and all this over here was just an A, B, and a C correction before we continue lower. But what had happened? What happened to the price after? We turned up very fast from there. Okay. Now I also noticed that we have a very similar fractal going on over here with the current price. Okay, if we just take a look here at this fractal, let me see over here. You guys see this fractal over here? Very similar fractal to what we had here in 2023 before we had expansion, right? You would just think that this is just an A, B, C, and then we're going to have another 5 down. But what does it do? It turns up very violently from there. So we'll definitely see tomorrow. I just wanted to show you guys these things. I just wanted to show you the divergence that we had here. And I wanted to show you how similar this fractal was back in 2023. And if to the normal eye and to the normal trader or to the normal investor that doesn't really know about charts, they would think at the time that this is just an A, B, C, and then we continue downwards, right? It's a very similar thing to what we have over here. A lot of people think that this over here is just an A, B, C, and now we're going to continue downwards below this low. But right now, my personal bias would be, it is leaning towards the bullish scenario, right? Where we see that nice pop up either from now down towards the 78.6% fib. Okay, so if you haven't seen my last Bitcoin video that I just uploaded, please go ahead and take a look at that. I go over the 2 different patterns that we could have at play. And I just wanted to show you guys, I just wanted to put out this extra video just to show you guys some more confluence. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to let me know. Peace out and take it easy. See you in the next one.